Hey everybody, it's Gary here. If you're a coach, wellness practitioner, healer, or health expert who's feeling overwhelmed with all the tech, all the changes, and all the AI hype out there, I get it. I was you. But here's the truth. The world is changing fast, and if you want to keep changing lives, our clients, our families, and our own, we've got to evolve with it. That's why we created the AI Wellness Universe, a platform built by wellness professionals for wellness professionals. So you can grow your business, serve more people, and stay aligned with your purpose without drowning in tech or learning to speak AI. Inside the AI Wellness Universe, you'll find over 100 custom built apps designed to help you with everything from creating client meal plans, content, to managing your schedule, building your brand, and scaling your programs. You don't need to code. You don't need to prompt. You don't need to second guess. You just need to be you and let AI do the heavy lifting in the background. Look, I've been there. I've felt stuck, exhausted, and frustrated, trying to keep up while staying true to who I am. But once I embraced the right tools, everything changed. I'm healthier, happier, and more productive than ever. And I get to spend more time coaching, connecting, and living the life I talk about. That's why I want what I want for you. So if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and finally use tech that serves your mission, join us inside the AI Wellness Universe. No fluff, no overwhelm, just a soulful space where wellness and innovation meet. Click the link, step into your future. Let's thrive together.